Hello dear students, welcome to Wisdom Air online class. Yes, in previous class I already teach you about the simple past, simple present and simple future tense, isn't it? Yes. Now I recall you about the simple present tense, simple past and simple future tense. As first, simple present tense. Simple present tense means it is used to express what takes place at present. It is called a simple present tense. The structure of simple present tense is subject plus verb plus object. Okay. Next, simple past tense. Simple past tense means it is used to express an action or event in the past. It is already done in the past. That is called a simple past tense. The structure of simple past tense is subject plus verb 2 plus object. Next one, simple future tense. Simple future tense means it is used to express an action that has still to take place. That is called simple future tense. The structure of simple future tense is subject plus verb 1 plus object. It is used to express a future action or event. It is called a simple future tense. And it is used to express an action that has still to takes place. Okay. Yes. Now students, all of you open your textbook, page number 10. That is related to the seed lesson. Yes. Under that, simple future tense grammar part, that is simple future tense. Complete the table given below with verbs in the simple past, simple present and simple future tenses. One is done for you. Here the given table given below with the verbs in the simple past, simple future and simple present tense. One example is done for you. Like that you have to do the other examples. First, the verb. The given verbs are eat, write, stand, teach, wear. These are the verbs. With the help of verbs, we have to make the sentences in the simple past, simple present and simple future tense. First example, eat. Simple past tense. How to say in simple past tense with the help of eat, the verb? Yes. The simple past tense means it is already done in the past. The event takes place in the past. Okay, that is simple past tense. For example, yesterday, yesterday evening, half an hour ago, previous year ago. Like that, these are the examples of simple past tense. See here sentence they given here. Yesterday I ate dinner at the new restaurant in our neighborhood. Yesterday ate, already done in the past, isn't it? Yesterday I ate dinner at the new restaurant in our neighborhood. Next, how to say in simple present tense? I eat rice every day. Simple future tense, tomorrow I will eat with my cousins from Jaipur. You have to take the help of structure of each sentences. With the help of that, you are able to make the sentence. Okay. See here. I subject, eat verb 1, every day, rice every day, it is an object. I eat rice every day. Next example, write. Students, other examples we have to do. Write. How to say in simple past tense? They given here. Last week I wrote a letter to my uncle in Australia. The past tense of write is wrote. So, write in simple past tense. Last week I wrote a letter to my uncle in Australia. Simple present tense. How to say in simple present tense? is today. Today I write a letter to my uncle in Australia. Or I write a letter to my uncle in Australia. Okay. Today I write a letter to my uncle in Australia. Or I write a letter today to my uncle in Australia. Next, simple future tense. Tomorrow I will write a letter to my uncle in Australia. In simple future tense, tomorrow I will write a letter to my uncle in Australia. Next, stand. They given in simple present tense. Example, I stand up when the national anthem is playing. So they given the blanks in simple past and in simple future. So we have to write in simple past and in simple future. Stand. How to write in simple past tense? I stood up when the national anthem is playing. In simple future tense, I will stand up when the national anthem is playing. Next, teach. They given in simple past tense. Tina taught me how to count in Japanese. The present tense of thought is teach. So here Tina in simple present tense. Tina teaches me how to count in Japanese. When there is a singular word, we have to add the es form to the verb. Okay? In simple future tense, Tina will teach me how to count in Japanese. Next example, wear. They given in simple present tense, that is, my mother wears a saree to office. How to say in simple past and simple future tense? See here, my mother wore a saree to office. Next, in simple future tense, my mother will wear a saree to office. Understood? Students, you have to fill these tenses in your textbook. Okay? Students, I hope you all understood about today's simple present, simple past and simple future tense. How to make a sentence with the help of structure. In the next class, I will continue the future continuous tense. Thank you.